Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. That port is deep. It's way back there. Sorry, excuse me. Do a video.
Don't be higher than the good year milk.
Wow. Oh, your back's open. Oh, you can shut it right there. Okay. I gotta put the window up. How you doing, man?
Hey, what's up?
Wow, this is unique.
Yeah.
Wow. Are these 10s or 12?
Those 12s.
Wow, you got some cone area. Nice, man.
Yeah.
So what's your name and what's in here, man? Say whatever you want.
Dorien, with TDH. Last year you did this, I had the 615s and the 17Ks.
Okay.
This time I got the 1212s. These CP audio, they right here.
Okay.
Look at that. 1212s on 4 MD8Ks.
Nice.
Everything else is pretty much the same.
It is, okay.
The 4 CES 320s, 100 hour amp.
Nice. What are these amps wired to?
They are wired to 2 ohm.
2 ohm each?
Yeah.
Are they the 2 ohm or 1 ohm version?
They're the 2 ohm version.
Okay, got it. So you're getting the power out of them. Okay. How big is your box?
That box is 18 cubes.
18. Did you build it?
No, actually, one of the owners of CP Audio built the box.
He did a good job.
Yeah.
Did it slide in perfectly?
Yeah, he did.
Nice. Any SPL score test out of it?
Just did a 158.3 sealed.
Okay.
That's my highest to date.
Yes, sir. Are you happy with it?
Oh yeah, yeah.
So what made you go with the smaller cone area size sub?
They offered to let me run the sub, so I said yeah.
Yeah, man. Awesome. And it's under window line, so you're able to compete in that line.
Right.
Oh, all right. Oh, you have a sunroof issues yet?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
yeah.
taped up.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
All right. So you optimize your space, and man, it is really
that's why
impressive.
I like they way more musical than I've
Yeah. Yes, sir. Very nice. What are these subs rated at, RMS wise?
1200.
1200. Okay.
Yeah, so yeah, I'm overpowered, but they're taking it.
Yes, sir.
So I've been beating on all the day, and they just now decided to go more.
Wow, are these 10s or 12s?
Those 12s.
Wow, there's a 4 12s. Oh, open the outside. So you got that to push the exit. I like that, man. Ready to hear it, man. It's nice. Is this the same vehicle?
Same vehicle.
Same vehicle, okay.
Same time. Let's see.
What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of Dorien's system. Insane demo. He's about to give me breaking some stuff, so be sure to check out, if you haven't already, his previous system. Posted a couple months ago. This was the thumbnail at the time. He has the same vehicle in the same style. He just upgraded his system and his doors, so really good job. Shout out to you, Dorien. Everybody, let him know what you think about his system. Comment, give him some positive feedback. I definitely like the way the box layout is. It's a lot of cone area, a lot of subwoofers, and it It sounds really punchy and clean and no distortion and clipping. He's running 32,000 watts on tap to these 1200 watt RMS subs, so he has plenty of headroom, so he never has to worry about distortion and clipping. Keeps it clean. So you're going to get to see the demo with the subwoofers with the hatch shut, with the hatch open, as well as in the vehicle and out of the vehicle to show y'all flex everywhere as he breaks apart his vehicle. So I like the box location with the subs up and this long port back. He has around 1.5 cubes to each of these subwoofers, so really optimal output space. Built a little bit small probably, but that is also helping him counter for the amount of power he's running to the subs. So the box builder did a really good job. So anyway, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Enjoy the daily cardio videos that are coming your way and enjoy the demo.
And I got a colorful I'm floating the alien, I'm not your kind of tell it you ain't got sleeve loaf. And I got a rose that's hey revive. Me and J back G5. Sex is a drug, hey man, we mother beehive. I'm haters. Ain't you tired slaving? Come with us, make some pain. Cause you own what you lay. Ain't you tired slaving? Come with us, make some pain. Cause you own what you labor. You I push your name shoes. Blood in my chain and it goes. I'm down mode. Cooler. DR just came like Kruger. Back in this man. I hate when I find little maps. Stay at the risk of the whips. Slip on shoes so you won't trip. She kinda fine, she got her lips. Mama said, rich. Boy, you know, light and dark mix. Mix it up, boy, bad luck. Sick of my stuff, see me look. Trapping, man. Most of you rap actors, man. I hate when I find little maps. Stay at the risk of the rappers. Boom. Feel. Set my brain home. Spill. Nerds like Urkel, you look. Fresh is like cup. Whips. Whips. Shoes so you won't trip. You kinda fine. You got this. Nothing. Bitch. Light and dark mix. Me. Boy, bad luck. Sick of my stuff. I must. Oh, high stars. And I got a colorful. Touch. Our jewelry's touch. Fam from
Nice. Man, that is really punchy.
Yeah.
And it has a good throw to it too, so really efficient. So you optimize your space and man, it is really
that's why
impressive.
I like they way more musical than I've
Yeah. Yes, sir. Very nice. What are these subs rated at, RMS wise?
1200.
1200? Okay.
Yeah, so yeah, I'm overpowered, but they take me.
Yes, sir.
So I've been beating on all the day, and they just now decided to do a little more.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.